Hello, myself Vinod Panara, and today we discuss types of variable that is used in a function. Okay. Now, in this lecture, first we discuss types of variable and then we discuss global keyword. Okay. Now, there are mainly two type of variable that is used in a Python function. First, global variable. So, the variable which are declared outside of the function, that is called global variable. Now, this variable that can be used in all function of that module. Okay, so variable which are outside of the function, that is called global variable, and it is used in all function of that module. Okay, now example of global variable, for example, a is equal to 10, then def f1, then parenthesis this def, that is keyword which is used to represent function, then f1, that is function name, and parenthesis. Now this a is equal to 10 is declared outside the function, so it is global variable. Then inside the function, body of function, that is print a, then second function def f2, then body of function print a, and now we call function f1 and then we call function f2. So if we call function f1 and f2, then we get output 10 and 10. Now this value a is equal to 10, that is transfer here, and it is also transfer here. So we get output of function that is 10 and 10. Okay. Now same program we run in PyCharm. So same program, a is equal to 10, that is global variable, then def f1 print a, def f2 print a, f1 and f2. So this a is equal to 10, this value transfer to the function f1 and transfer to the function of f2. Now if we run this program, then we get output 10 and 10, because this a is equal to 10, that is global value that is used by all function. Okay. Now second one, that is local variable. So the variable which are declared inside a function, that is called local variable, and the local variable are available only for the function in which we declare it. Okay, so example of local variable, that def f1 and parenthesis this f1, that is one type of function, and inside this function we declare a is equal to 10, then print a. So this a is equal to 10, that is local variable, and this variable that is used by the function in which we declare this variable. Okay, it is not used by any other function. So if we print a, then we get 10. Now def f2 and print a, but it is invalid. Why? Because this a is equal to 10, it is local variable, not global variable. So local variable, it is used in that particular function only, not by any other function. Okay, so if we call f1 and f2, then first this print a, then it is equal to 10, but in second case we get error because this is invalid. Okay, so global variable and local variable. Global variable, it is declared outside the function, and local variable, it is declared inside the function. Okay. Now next one, that is global keyword. Now first, what do you mean by keyword? It is reserved word in Python. For example, def, return, print. These are the keyword that is used in a Python. Okay. Now global keyword, to declare global variable inside the function. If we declare global variable inside the function, then we use global keyword. To make global variable available to the function so that we can perform required modification. So if we declare global variable inside the function and if we modify that variable, then we should go for global keyword. Okay. For example, a is equal to 10, it is global variable. Then def f1, okay, function name f1, then body of function global a. It means we use global keyword and then a is equal to 10. Then we modify a is equal to 777. We modify from 10 to 777. Then print a. So we declare global variable inside the function and we modify that variable and then print. Then second def f2, second function, then print a. So this 777, that is global variable. First it is equal to 10, then we modify this global variable to 10 to 777. So here also print a, so we get 777. Now if we call function f1 and f2, then we get output for the f1 also 777, print a here 777 and here also 777, because this 777, that is global variable after modification. We get output 777 and 777. Now same program we run in PyCharm. Okay, so same program is equal to 10. First, we declare this global variable inside the function. Then we modify global variable. Then we print global variable. And then in second function, we also print global variable. So output of this function, that is, if we run this program, then we get output that is 777 and 777, because this 777, that is global variable after modification. Okay, now we discuss two example for practice purpose. Now example number 1, a is equal to 8, it is declared outside the function. So a is equal to 8, that is global variable. Now def f1, then a is equal to 10. So it is declared inside the function. So a is equal to 10, that is local variable. This a is equal to 8, global variable. A is equal to 10, local variable. Now print a. So this a is equal to 10, this value a is equal to 10, that is transfer here. A is equal to 10 because same inside the function. Okay, so a is equal to 10, that is of function f1, so transfer here. So print a, it means we get a is equal to 10. Now then second function def f2 and print a. So this is not a is equal to 10, a is equal to 8. This global value transfer here, because in this function we do not provide value for a. So print a means global value of a, that is transfer here. So a is equal to 8. And at last we call function f1 and f2. Okay. So if local variable provide, then print that value in their function, otherwise print global variable. Okay. Now same example we run in PyCharm. Same example. So a is equal to 8, def f1 is equal to 10, print a, def f2, print a, then function calling f1 and f2. If we run this program, then we get output that is 10 and 8. First value of a in f1 function, that is 10, and in f2 function, that is 8, global variable. Okay. Now, example number 2, a is equal to 20, global variable outside the function, def f1, then a is equal to 40, then print a. Okay. Then def f2, global a, then a is equal to 50, print a, and function calling f1 and f2. So what is output of this print a and this print a? This a is equal to 40. This is for function f1. So this value transfer here. A is equal to 40. Now global a, it means this is transfer here. Global a, it means a is equal to 20, and then we change value. A is equal to 50. Now global variable change into 50, and then here A is equal to 50. So this value of A, that is 40, and this value of A, that is 50. 40 and 50. Okay. Now same program we run in PyCharm. So same program, a is equal to 20, then def f1, a is equal to 40, print a, then def f2, global a is equal to 50, print a, and function calling f1 and f2. If we run this program, then we get output that is 40 and 50, because for print a in f1, a is equal to 40, and for print a in f2, a is equal to 50. So we get output 40 and 50. So in this lecture we discuss about global variable, local variable, and global keyword. So this is about today lecture. Okay, thank you for today lecture.